Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel guys. This is your daily love tarot reading Capricorn. Let us see what is coming up guys for your general energies and for your love energies Capricorn. Ace of Swords, Four of Wands, Page of Pentacles. Capricorn, the energy with these cards is that guys, you are seeing some kind of a new beginning in your life, some new work or some new, this may be a new relationship guys. So this person may be coming towards you, someone new. If you are single and if you are open to relationship, you may find someone. That is also the energy here guys. Or maybe in your work you are heading towards something new, some very new positive change guys, that is very profitable for you. So that is coming towards you, something which brings great fortune to you, that is there coming towards you guys. And maybe for some of you are seeing the success within reach. You are seeing the clear way that you are going to reach your goals, whatever you are working for, and you are feeling that sense of security and stability in your life. Your goals are stabilizing, your efforts are stabilizing and pushing you towards success. So you have that sense of gratification because you are headed in that positive way. So that is also the energy here guys. And maybe for some of you may be having plans to go for studies, higher studies, or some scholarships, or you have applied for some job or work, something, some result, something very positive is coming your way guys. And that is the energy with these cards Capricorn. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards guys. What is the energy? So a positive beginning is coming your way Capricorn today. That is the overall energy and you are celebrating it guys. Lilies, bouquet, so I definitely see some kind of study oriented situation coming up guys. Maybe you are planning for some scholarships, or you are planning for some life lesson classes, something you are attending, or you are mentoring somebody, or you are participating in some self improvement classes, some workshops, something, some life lesson classes, something guys, something you are learning. So you are heading towards some kind of learning in your life Capricorn. And maybe for some of you are getting people visiting you, gifting you, your friends or family, or this person, maybe they are what to say, coming there to send you off on your on the way to your college, or for the studies, something guys. And you share that great harmony, intimacy and attraction in this relationship guys, and you feel that sense of contentment also in this relationship. And you have and your relationship is based on trust, and you have that your person feels that they are attracted to your ideas and reputation guys. maybe, and maybe they have this great attraction towards you. Maybe this may be a physical attraction, or something based on your status or reputation or your family background, guys. Something they are attracted to you because of that, and you share a great bond with this person. You have that great intimacy with this person, guys, and harmony and balance is there in this relationship. So Capricorn, it is a time of celebration with this new beginning, guys. That is the energy with these cards. So let us see what is the angels guidance for today. I'll be picking one card, guys, from this deck. Universal Heart. So this person with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe this person is your twin flame or soulmate. So that is the reason that you share that great attraction and intimacy and understanding with this person, and you would have felt a certain kind of familiarity with them even at the first time you met them, because this is a destined connection, guys. And when you meet the people whom we are destined to meet, we have that familiarity in that relationship. So that is the energy, guys, with this card. So we need to what to say in our words, in our actions, in the things we buy, in the food we eat, whatever it is, we have to do it with great love, guys. And when we do that, when we base all our actions on love, it is only love that we radiate. So when we do that, it affects the situation around us and the people who are there with us in our life, and in their life also they will feel that unity and love in their heart, and it gives a positive vibration in our life, guys. So that is the angels guidance for us today, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.